Morning, guys. Just want to show you how we took this trade. Yeah, guys, as you all know, it's also the same process as we always explain. It's the break and retest strategy. So this is where they created liquidity. Yes, this is where they created liquidity here. Then they came to broke here. Then they come back to retest. Then when they come back to retest, we enter here. This is where we enter. This is where our liquidity was created. This is where our liquidity was created. We wait for the market to break this level, to break and come back and retest. We enter. It's the arrow here when they retest. As you can see, the market went down according to our direction. Just need to be able to see where your liquidity is and wait for the market to break that liquidity, and when they retest, you enter the market. So simple.